Hey bios, this is Sarvam Rai from Desigine, and today we're gonna look how you can set up the personal finance budgeting tool. First, open the PDF that you have downloaded from the Etsy. After opening, you'll start to copy now button, like over here. Press on it. This will take you to the new sheet. After you press the start copy now button, you'll be taken to this page. Okay, probably you might not see settings. The next step is to click on files. Just look on the left top button over here. Okay, files, click on files. Now click on make a copy. Okay, just click and give it a name. Let's say I give something like this. Okay, click on make a copy. After you click, just wait for a few seconds. It depends on your internet speed. It will take some time to load. After you copy the sheet, your spreadsheet will be open in this manner. Okay, just copy the whole link from here, the CTRL plus C, and send this link to us. After you send, hold for some time. After we say that your password is active, just click on this finance system. Click on setup and setup or activate. Click OK. Wait for some seconds. Choose the Google account you want, and now click on advance. Now click on go to personal budget unsafe. Now click select all over here. Now go to the bottom and click continue over here. Wait for some second. Okay, now enter the password that we have given. Okay, and click on unlock. Okay, it started unlocking. As you can see in the bottom, the lock slowly has started removing, and this will also create some file script and triggers too. So please do keep note to set up this before you go with anything. Now your system is totally ready and is ready to work. Okay, now you might be wondering what you can do after setup, right? No need to worry. We have created a new video guide such that you can know what you can do with this template. Okay, so it's a complete guide. Please do check out that video where we have discussed in detail about the date, creating a date, creating the saving goals, and lot more. Please check out that video. That would be a lot helpful for you in the process. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if you have not purchased it till right now, just check out the descriptions if you want to, and you'll find over there is a Etsy link, and just click on that link and go to the Etsy store and purchase it and get your template ready. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like it, and please do subscribe.